Hello again, everyone. This is attorney Robert Flessas. Today, we're going to talk about the filing fee that's paid when you file bankruptcy, specifically a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now, there's three ways that the filing fee can be handled. One, you could just pay the $335 at the time you file your case, but some people don't have that much money and can't do that. The second way is you can make an application to the court asking them to waive your filing fee. Now, you have to be unemployed, not making any money, not even unemployment compensation. You can't have any money coming in, and if that's the case, they'll waive it in most instances. The third way to do it, and that's what we're going to discuss today in this video, is paying your filing fee in installments. Now, every jurisdiction has their own rules on installment payments, so I'm just going to use the method or the way that they do it in the jurisdiction that I work out of. So behind me now, you're going to see the form that you use to ask the court to pay it in installments. And let's take a look at that. This is called Official Form 103A, commonly referred to as Application for Individuals to Pay the Filing Fee in Installments. And it's a simple form to fill out, and this form gets attached to your petition when you file the case. When you do that, there is not an installment due immediately when you file the case. All right, so you go to Chapter 7, check that off. It's asking you how you want to pay it. Well, I'll go down to this line, and I'm going to divide $335 by 3, and the first payment's going to be $112. Now, let's say you filed your case in August, and we're going to say 2019. So the first payment then you would propose would be due 30 days after the filing of the case. So we're going to put in here September 22nd, 2019. The next installment would be due about 1 month later, and that would be the same thing, $112, and you'd want to pay that by the 22nd of 2019 in October. The third installment would be $111. That's all that's left. And you're going to want to pay that in November 2019. And that's it. You put the total, it's $335, right? I think I got the math right there. All right. And you're just going to sign below. If you're filing jointly, it's going to be debtor 1 and debtor 2. All right. And then you're going to put the dates in there. And it's as simple as that. Now, what happens is after you file your case and this application is attached to your petition, within a couple business days, usually, after your case is filed, you're going to get what's called an order from the court that says, fine, you can pay your filing fee in installments, but they're going to designate the dates. They're also going to tell you how you're going to pay that, which is usually by a bank check or certified funds. They don't accept personal checks. If you go to the clerk's office where you file your case, you could pay in cash. But they're going to tell you then the dates they're due and then who you mail it to, which will be the clerk's office, and again, the deadlines for each installment. Now, if you make each installment payment, you're fine. If you miss one, they're going to dismiss your case and you're not going to get your discharge. You could pay the full amount during any installment. For example, let's say you pay the first $112 installment, and then you've got what, $223 left? Then you would pay that $223 upon that second payment. So you can really do it any way you want, and they're pretty flexible. So that's filing fees. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.